Hi everybody, this is Jodi Suson with Suson Essentials, and we're here today to talk about how to clean your fruits and veggies. And I know there's always, everyone has a different way to do this, and I'm going to share with you my way because I think it really gets all the pesticides off, whether you're buying organic or not. It gets all the dirt and pesticides off your produce. So I want to show you around what we got here. We've laid it all out. First of all, you want to have your distilled white vinegar, which is, organic. I got that at Whole Foods. You want your baking soda, also from Whole Foods, non-GMO and organic. And then what we're gonna, and I already poured out some water, but I'm gonna show you. We're taking our water from the ProPure water filter. This filter removes all the pesticides and fluoride and chlorine, along with the VOCs. It takes out, chromium 3 and 6. And as long as you're cleaning your food, you ought to clean it in, clean water. So this is how we got our water. Okay, so the other things that we have here in preparation, we have a bowl of tomatoes, sweet potatoes, broccoli, mini cucumbers, a blend of blueberries, blackberries, bell peppers, and grapes. And wait to see how these grapes come out clean. I'm just going to tell you now. I also have out here the parchment paper because we're going to talk about how to store your fruits and vegetables afterwards. And we're going to do that with the Pyrex containers. These are glass. Okay? The other thing you want to have, these colanders, because we're going to drain this. But we're going to do it just a little bit differently. Typically, I would say just, drain the fruits and vegetables into the colander, but because I really want to show you the dirt, we're going to do it this other way, okay? So we're going to scoop it out. So we're going to go pretty fast here, so keep up, would you? All right. So we've got the baking soda. I'm just going to sprinkle this. If you want to, catch that. We're going to sprinkle the baking soda on the fruits and veggies. You can see I'm not doing a lot, just a little bit here. And on the bell peppers. You notice we have the colors of the rainbow here because that's what you should be eating. You want to eat that. And I'm doing a little extra on the grapes because they always seem to be really highly dirty. And this is my scrub brush little piggy, right? I think it's kind of cute. But little piggy, we're going to scrub the sweet potatoes with that. So now, and you notice I didn't measure this, but we're just doing a sprinkle. We're getting the fruits and vegetables covered. I hate to tell you how much to measure because sometimes you're going to have more tomatoes this time than you are next time. Use your better judgment. Just get some coverage. So now we're going to do like a dollop of white vinegar. So you're going to see it's going to start. These I do a little bit more than a dollop because you'll find we're going to have to scrub these sweet potatoes, the broccoli, the cucumbers, the berries, okay, more berries, peppers, colors of the rainbow, and grapes. Right? Like I said, I do a little extra for the grapes because man, oh man, they are dirty. Then you're just going to start pouring the water, right? And you hear that sizzling sound. So that's the sound of everything getting clean. That's the chemical reaction. Now, I mean, really, you could also just, run this under your filtered water. But for speed, I decided just to do it this way because it's a little faster, I think. And, here's the thing. Time here is your friend. Studies have been shown that when you clean your fruit for 2 to 3 minutes, not all the pesticides are going to come off. But if you soak your fruit and vegetables, let's say 15 to 20 minutes, okay, then all the pesticides come off. Now, and here's the other thing. This is all organic, but There's almost no fruits and vegetables that actually are 100% pesticide free. So, you know, and once you think about this, if you have an organic farm in one spot and then even a few miles away you have another farm and it's not organic, the wind's going to blow that stuff from place to place. We know this, right? That's not even a question. But we're not thinking about that when we're sitting down at the table or when we're preparing our food. So, okay, here come the grapes. And good thing we filled all these. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to set the timer for 20 minutes. And I'm going to sign off right now, and we're going to come back in 20 minutes, and we're going to show you what this all looks like, okay? But meanwhile, we're, we're going to, kind of stir this up a little bit, make sure everything gets off, especially for those grapes. Let me tell you, those are usually the worst. So, and making sure everything's all covered, okay? All right, so